here at Publix. We're gonna see what they have.
Yes.
For your interesting video.
Yeah, for today's video, I come into Publix to buy some ingredients.
All right, let's go check it out. You got a whole one for $4.99. Is it okay? It's small red seedless, so there's no seeds.
Or just buy.
Get the buying was easier, right? Let's work. That's the key. Oh, look at these, Hiro. Nice and fresh.
Yeah.
You choose something.
Can I pick
Well,
from here?
Yeah, this one.
Yeah. Okay. Thank you. So today we are going to making crispy rice with spicy watermelon.
Spicy watermelon.
Yes.
We at the Chicago show, and what we saw, actually right next to us, they were making sushi out of vegan items like tuna made from winter melon.
Winter melon.
Yeah, winter melon, and then right next to us they had like soy-based salmon and tuna. So, you know, got us thinking, why not try that, right, Hiro?
That looks like a tuna.
It looks like tuna.
Yeah, cubic tuna.
Let's go through the ingredients here. What do we have today?
This is the main ingredients:
Okay.
watermelon.
Okay.
And I want the scallion for garnish, and then I need to make a crispy rice. I need to use this mold to make in the square the shape. Then I'm gonna do fried. Then I'm gonna use kimchi sauce, sriracha sauce, sesame oil to mix spicy watermelon.
Okay.
On fried, crispy rice.
See how you do it. So this is completely vegan. Very interesting. Okay, here's on. What is the first step that you're
First step, I go with the make the rice, the square shape one.
Okay.
Okay. So I'm going to use this. But crispy rice is very popular lately, you know, in the restaurant. When I was working in a restaurant, it was also popular, one of the popular items.
A trend that started in California, from what we were told. This is back in 2011. That's when people came to Novi and they said, "Oh, can you guys make this?" And we, yeah, why not? And put it on the menu.
So if you are working at the restaurant, of course, you know, sushi rice, you know, be a little bit of leftover, right?
Yeah.
So that
that's what you
that you can use it.
The leftover sushi rice.
Yeah, in the restaurant. Today I just use the regular rice.
Regular rice.
Yes.
Okay. So there's no seasoning, no sushi seasoning in this at all. So basically you're going to put it in the freezer for a little bit of time just to make it a little bit more harder.
Yes, it's more easy to cut.
Okay. So just put cellophane on the bottom. Well, this is because you have two pieces. If not, put cellophane on the bottom.
Today I just want to keep in the freezer.
Okay.
It's more faster. Okay, next step is watermelon. Gonna just cut into the small dice. Okay, this one, put into the bowl. Like this. Okay, sriracha sauce, kimchi sauce, sesame oil.
Okay, one thing we're not going to add is mayonnaise.
Mayonnaise, no.
Yeah, I don't think it's going to go good, so... Right? We don't want a creamy watermelon. I think that'd be too much. Plus, it's not going to be vegan, right? Because mayonnaise has egg in it.
Like this.
Okay, that's good. Smells good, Hiro.
Okay, now rice is ready, so I'm going to cut into the piece.
It's in the freezer for about, I want to say 10 minutes.
Yeah, not too long.
Yeah, not too long at all.
Okay, then I'm going to use a cornstarch. Like this, over the surface.
Now, white cornstarch, what does that do?
To making crunchiness on the surface.
On the edge, right?
Yeah, edge.
Crunchiness.
Another reason I put a cornstarch or actually the flour, you can use it too. So if you put the rice directly into the oil, sometimes oil going too much.
Absorbs too much, right?
Yeah.
Into the rice.
Next step, let's fry it up. Okay. Rice is ready.
Looks super interesting here.
Okay.
Take a look at the final product. Crispy rice, spicy watermelon. Never thought we'd make something like this in the studio, Hiro. But for all the vegans out there, this one's for you.
Okay.
All right, Hiro-san.
Okay.
So if you guys like the video, give it a thumbs up, and comment below, share it. Don't forget to subscribe. Try this at home and tell us what you think. We tried this before, but looking forward to tasting it. Hiro-san, thank you so much.
Thank you.
To the tasting part. Are you looking forward to this one?
Sure.
Enjoy, Hiro. I'm going to try one as well. Looks like tuna. Smells like tuna. Smells like spicy tuna. Let's see how it tastes. Okay.
Not bad, right?
Definitely some sweet and spicy going on, but I can see why people like it. And if it's healthy for you, well, the only thing that's unhealthy is obviously being fried. But for those who want this taste, it's not bad at all. Definitely a recipe you should try at home. Maybe try it with cucumber too. That might be interesting, right? The kind of melon or vegetables or something like that. Well, Hiro-san, thank you so much.
Yeah, thank
Not
you.
bad at all. Make sure you guys try this at home. You will be impressed. See you soon. Thank you.
Thank you.